When I'm looking at applications, what I'm really looking for is to get to know the person, to see that they've taken some time to understand what the role is, and actually match it to what their aspirations are, and what their experience is. I'd like to see a bit of themselves in that application, so it really stands out, so we understand why they want to apply for the opportunity, and what experience they can bring. So examples are really, really good, and help reassure us that they're able to achieve the duties of the role.
Do a thorough research to avoid disappointments. Research about the city, research about the job. Do not make assumptions about anything.
Read the job description, read the person specification, and try and cater your experience and your qualifications to suit the job description and the person specification.
I would normally print out the job description, and against each of the bullet points that they wanted, I would look at what examples I can provide and think of those and write them down against each of those.
Don't do the copy-paste of the skills and the supporting statement.
What helped as well was, I think, an understanding of the NHS. So if I could read up about the employer, read up about generally, were they a hospital, were they an acute hospital, or were they mental health, physical health, that helped as well.
Do the research of the NHS organization values that you are applying the job for. Make sure you align your values to the organization values and your skills to the skills that is needed for the job.
When considering applications, the most important thing for me is to identify what the candidate is like as a person. We're very much based on employment by values, and 90% of the applications that we receive, all of the candidates have the same qualification. They have very similar experience. So to be able to determine from one to the other, we base that on the values that they do or don't possess. Another key point that we are looking for with international AHP recruitments is the ability to learn. Not only previous learning, but the ability to demonstrate that you are willing to come over and learn continuously.
Contact the person which is given the contact details on the job description, so that you can ask them the questions about the role, about the team and the organization they are working for.
It's important that you sell yourself, you really highlight your transferable skills, because the process of assessment treatment doesn't change, just the client changes in front of you.
Have confidence in yourself. Never doubt yourself. Relocating can be a challenging experience and very emotional as well, but never doubt yourself.
But obviously, you are filling in an application in English, which is not your first language. So we expect that could be challenging in itself. But where possible, if you can go back and do spell checks and things like that, it's just really helpful, because it just strengthens the level of that application, because you're going on that journey to come from another country over to us. And that's a really big ask.